Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nina Ubhi and I'm a makeup artist and a beauty entrepreneur. This is a place you can find all the content I've created on makeup, skincare, everything beauty related, and also a few vlogs to show you some of the exciting stuff I get to do when I'm not in my studio. You'll find videos that I've created on free weekly makeup tutorials, how-tos, product reviews, vlogs, and also more of what you guys want to see. So let me know by leaving a comment below and I'll see if I can create that content for you. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can leave a comment under any of my videos or you can email me. You'll find my email address in the About section of my channel. So a bit more about me. I'm a makeup artist and a beauty entrepreneur. And what that means is I've taken everything that I've learned over the years in the industry and I'm applying it to services, products, teaching courses to make a living and a career for myself. I started like most makeup artists as a side hustle. After I left school, I started working with my father in his business and I learned so much from him, but I also realized that I wanted to work for myself the same way that he was. I already knew that I was passionate about makeup, so I decided to put my all into making a go of it and making a living for myself out of it. And I quickly learned that I could turn something that I loved and I'm so passionate about into a career for myself. So I hustled away for around 12 years as a makeup artist in the UK, and I was working mainly on bridal clients and some celebrities. And then I met my husband and he joined forces with me in my businesses, and now we're a team. I moved to Dubai around 7 years ago and this is home for me. I love it here. And I'm so grateful to have grown in so many different aspects. Another aspect of my business which I absolutely loved before the current situation was traveling to exotic locations for destination weddings to do bridal makeup in places like Bali, Borneo, Malaysia, Mauritius, Singapore, India, and Africa. I've also worked on some US celebrities that have travelled to Dubai. To name a few, Kat Sadler from E! Entertainment, Laura Gavan from Basketball Wives, and Eve, the rapper. I've had to sign NDAs on members of royalty that I've worked on, so as much as I would love to tell you guys, my hands are tied. I also rebranded my business. And when I first started as a makeup artist, I had this one-page website that I actually created myself, but I very quickly realized that I needed to stand out from competition and really up my game in how I represent myself online. I had a new website built from scratch where you can find everything that I do, from makeup services to destination weddings to my weekly blog. Now I know so many people say that they're bloggers, but I actually genuinely write my own blogs and it comes out every week. I write about new releases, product reviews for beauty and skincare, as well as lifestyle articles on the best places to eat and the best hotels to stay at. Another place that I've put a lot of effort into growing is my social media presence on Instagram. I have an amazing Instagram family, so if you head over to that page, I'd love you to be part of that community too. You'll find makeup looks that I've created on my clients as well as myself, and also snippets of some fashion and lifestyle, just because I also love that. Through my Instagram platform, I've been blessed to work with some big brands such as Dior. I had a collaboration with them, and as part of the promotion, I had my face on a billboard in City Walk. I know, it was so surreal, but it's also one of the many highlights of my career. Fenty, I collaborate a lot with Fenty, and I also got to attend a VIP sit down with Rihanna herself. Huda Beauty, who, let's be honest, is an iconic inspiration for any beauty entrepreneur. This woman has gone from being a local blogger to a global makeup mogul in the space of 10 years. I'm lucky enough to get her products sent pre-release, so I'm going to be doing so much content for you guys so that you can see her products first too. There's also Makeup Forever, and I'm actually part of the tribe, which means I get taken away to some amazing places, one of which being Zayanurai Island in Abu Dhabi. You can click on the card above to see that vlog. And also Hurghada in Egypt, where we got to actually look at the products before they were even released and give our feedback as professionals in the industry. The other side to growing my Instagram presence has meant that I've been lucky enough to rub shoulders with some A-list celebrities such as Victoria Beckham and Olivia Culpo, as well as renowned experts in the beauty industry such as Charlotte Tilbury, Mario and Jen Atkin, the makeup artist and hairstylist for the Kardashians, Hector, who is Rihanna's makeup artist, and Anastasia, who is the celebrity brow expert and founder of Anastasia Beverly Hills. Whilst doing all of that, I've been super busy launching my own brand of lashes, which, let me tell you, has taken up so much time, but they are the most comfortable lashes you will wear. I have 2 collections with 9 lashes in each collection, and I've worked really hard to get them into stores within Dubai Mall, Mall of Emirates, Yas Mall in Abu Dhabi, and Saks Fifth Avenue in Bahrain. Now, my ultimate goal is, of course, to get them into Sephora and Ulta Beauty in the US. It's my turn to give back, so these free online courses are going to show you how to apply makeup with the correct techniques and achieve the same kind of flawless finish that I achieve on my clients. I'll also apply makeup on myself for most tutorials, and that's going to make it super easy for you guys to understand self-application. Because of the relationship that I've built with brands, I'm fortunate enough to be able to receive the products and review them for you guys. I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion and review of all products. To mix it up a little and give you an insight into some of the things that I love doing, most of it will be beauty related, some of it won't. It gives you an idea of some of the things that I get up to when I'm not in front of a client, a camera, or my laptop. So that's a bit more about me and what I do, and I really do hope you enjoy my channel and enjoy the content that I create for you. If there's anything you guys want me to create or cover, then let me know by leaving a comment below, and I'll always make an effort to reply. And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss any of the content that I send out.